Shankar, followed by Professor Shastri and Dr. Krishna Nayak US, followed by Dr. Indrani Karunasagar and Dr. Fatima De Silva, followed by Dr. Narayana Charyulu and Dr. Danesh Kumar, followed by Dr. P.S. Prakash and Dr. Mitra N. Hille. The registrar, Dr. M.S. Muditaya, will follow, followed by His Excellency, the Governor of Nagaland, Shri P.B. Acharya. The First Lady of Nagaland will also join the procession as they come to the dais, followed by Dr. K.R. Shetty, the recipient of DSc Honoris Causa, followed by the Vice Chancellor, Dr. Ramanand Shetty, followed by the Pro Chancellor, Dr. M. Shantaram Shetty, and followed by Chancellor N. Vinay Hegde. Ladies and gentlemen, the registrar is leading His Excellency Shri P.B. Acharya onto the dais. Please continue to stand. Please do not occupy the seats until the national anthem is being played. Ladies and gentlemen, kindly remain standing. Please be seated only after His Excellency and the Chancellor have taken their seats. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I now request the students of K.S. Hegde Medical Academy to recite the Nada Gite. Kindly remain seated. Thank you, dear students. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I now request the Vice Chancellor of the University, Dr. S. Ramananda Shetty, to deliver the welcome address and present a brief report of the university.
It's very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. His Excellency, Governor of Nagaland, Sri P.B. Acharya, our Honorable Chancellor, Sri N. Vinay Hegde, Pro-Chancellor, Dr. M. Shantaram Shetty, Dr. K.R. Shetty, recipient of Honorary Doctorate of our university, my colleagues in the university, Mr. M.S. Mudithaya, Registrar, and Dr. Alka Kulkarni, Controller Examinations, members of Board of Management, Academic Council, university officials, heads of constituent institutions, distinguished invitees, parents, faculty members, recipients of gold medals, rank holders, graduates, members of the press and media, and ladies and gentlemen. I consider it an honor for me to welcome all of you present here at the 6th annual convocation of our university. On behalf of our Chancellor, the authorities of the university, and you ladies and gentlemen, I deem it my privilege to welcome His Excellency, Governor of Nagaland, Sri P.B. Acharya. Sir, it is a matter of great honor to have you to deliver the convocation address today. A very grand welcome to you, sir. The lady behind the success of Sri P.B. Acharya, his wife, Srimati Kavita Acharya, she is amongst the audience today. She is the First Lady of Nagaland. On behalf of all of us, a very warm welcome to you, madam. As the Vice Chancellor of the University, I am delighted to present to you a distinguished dignitaries on the dais. Let me have the privilege of introducing our Chancellor, Sri N. Vinay Hegde. Sri N. V. Hegde is an illustrious son of late Justice K. S. Hegde, Judge of Supreme Court of India and Speaker of Lok Sabha. He is the recipient of D.Lit from Mangalore University. It is his vision and dream that has made Nittay Education Trust one of the foremost educational organizations in the country, with 31 institutions spread on 3 campuses at Nittay, Mangalore, and Bangalore. He was member of the Senate and Academic Council of Mangalore University. He is a member of the Vision Group 2020 of Government of Karnataka, constituted for overall economic planning of Karnataka. He is a chairman of Lamina Group of Companies. More than all, he is a blend of simplicity, dynamism, and is a visionary with tenacity of purpose to achieve what is right and what is truthful. On behalf of the university, I extend a very warm welcome to you, Mr. Chancellor, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. M. Shantaram Shetty, the Pro-Chancellor, is an eminent orthopedic surgeon and a renowned teacher. He has not only shaped the future of our medical college as its first dean, but also created a coherent identity for the university as its first vice chancellor. His leadership and dedication has been pivotal in Nittay University becoming a A-grade university. Sir, on behalf of the university, I extend a very cordial welcome to you. The university is very glad to confer Honorary Doctorate DSc to Dr. K.R. Shetty, the well-known academician and senior consultant neurologist of the district. A special welcome goes to you, sir. On behalf of the university, let me have the pleasure of welcoming the members of Board of Management and members of Academic Council. This is the occasion for me to extend the special welcome to 635 brilliant young men and women graduating this year, and each one is a special and dear to us. In this convocation, 18 candidates will be awarded PhD degree. I extend a very warm welcome to all the university officials, the parents of the graduates, invitees, the members of the press and media, and each one of you present here at this convocation. Ladies and gentlemen, with the permission of the Chancellor, sir, I would now like to place before you a brief report of the university. We are an 8-year-old university with the 6 constituent colleges and 2 departments, housed in a campuses at Derlakatte and Paneer. The university offers a total of 84 courses that includes UG, PG, postgraduate, diploma, fellowship, certificate courses and PhD, with a cumulative enrollment of 3,409 students. Ladies and gentlemen, you will be glad to note that Nitte University has a double and a rare achievement of being placed under A category by the Ministry of Human Resource and Development, Government of India, and accredited with A grade by the National Assessment and Accreditation Council. K.S. Hegde Medical Academy was started in the year 1999, is the jewel in our crown of the university. The college has not only become a center of excellence for medical education, but also trustworthy destination for the medical care. It offers MBBS with 150 intake, MD, MS with 100 admission per year, and MCH in urology. The college also offers paramedical courses and MPH program. This year, the surgical skill lab has been further upgraded with an additional investment of rupees 4 crores to make it a top-class skill lab for the benefit of the interns, postgraduates, and junior doctors. Justice K.S. Hegde Charitable Hospital is our 1,200-bedded teaching hospital having 12 super specialities and dedicated center for cancer treatment and advanced center for treatment of neurological disorders. A.B. Shetty Memorial Institute of Dental Sciences was established in 1985, offers BDS, MDS, fellowship in craniofacial surgery, and certificate course in oral implantology. The college has been equipped with the CAD/CAM facility and also a cone beam CT machine. During the year 2015 and 16, dental health rural centers and the college hospital treated 2.5 lakhs patients. I am glad to inform you that the college has been ranked 8th best dental college in the country and 3rd best among the private dental colleges. Nitte Gulabi Shetty Memorial Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, started in 1983, offers UG and PG courses in pharmaceutical sciences. More than 75% of teaching faculty hold a doctorate degree. The college has been accredited by the National Board of Accreditation, NBA. It's a matter of pride for us that the college has been ranked 18th among all pharmaceutical science colleges in the country by the National Institute Ranking Framework of MHRD, Government of India.